So here we have the Pioneer. This is a DEH 1200 MP, a little bit of an older stereo, and then we have a new, same thing, Pioneer, but it's an MVH S215BT. This was just purchased, but they're both Pioneer stereos. However, the cabling for the back is just slightly different, and when you compare them side by side, you can see the larger prongs here. Okay, the connector is right here at the top to this little cutout here with the two squares, and then two thick prongs, and then at the bottom you have the prongs on the opposite side. So if you were to compare them kind of side by side, you'd see that these are actually incompatible with each other, although it seems like quite a few places say that they should be compatible because the larger prongs are on the wrong side. So you can see there the two large prongs on the top one are on the left. There's also one missing prong, probably not a big deal. And then on the bottom, the two larger prongs are on the right-hand side. So these two stereos will not work unless there's some grinding done or some shaving done on the prongs, which wouldn't be a good idea. So I thought I'd show this difference between these two Pioneer stereos and how that the cables don't actually match up. So again, this is an older stereo though. It is from a while ago, I believe. 2009. Yep, there we go. December 2009. So it is a few years old, but still, they're very close cables, but they just don't quite match up. So I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions or any additional information, please feel free to post it below. Thanks for watching.